Bigger than Venezuela. That's the phrase that is being whispered in global power circles right now because something really serious is unfolding in the Middle East. And it involves Donald Trump, Iran, and a military move that has put the entire world on the edge. Let's start with the image here. A massive US naval force, warships, destroyers, fighter jets, they are moving closer to Iran. And wait, at the center of all is the USS Abraham Lincoln, one of America's most powerful aircraft carrier. Now, this is not routine. This is not symbolic. This is a clear signal. But you know why now? Because Iran is under a lot of pressure. Deadly crackdowns, protests turning violent, global outrage growing louder, and Washington is watching closely here. Trump says that he wants diplomacy, but he also says all options are on the table. That sentence, it changes everything. But what does this all options really mean? Let's dwell into that. It means talks. Yes. But it also means missiles. It also means fighter jets. It also means strike that can happen without any warning. This is called coercive diplomacy. Talk while keeping your fingers on the trigger. In fact, Iran heard the message loud and clear and they responded. Iran's military issued a blunt warning. Any attack will be met with severe retaliation. The response will not be limited. The region will not stay calm. Now, this is not bravado. This is preparation. Another question, why this moment so dangerous? Because when warships move, market panics. Oil prices shake, stock markets wobble, global leaders rush to the phones. Everybody is calling for calm. Everybody is urging talks. But nobody is backing down here. This is not just US versus Iran anymore. This affects the Middle East, Europe, energy routes, in fact, global trade, everyday lives, everywhere. One wrong move here does not stay local, it will spread. So, is Trump ordering an attack? Officially, there is a big no. But the military is in the position. The warnings are public and the pressure, it is intense. This is the moment where history changes. This is modern warfare and how they are begun. This is not a declaration though, this is not a siren. Just silence, moment, but a message that is sent without any word. The world is holding its breath because the next decision will decide whether this ends at the negotiating table or explodes far beyond it.